Hello, this is our cat, and it's gonna make some kunststof.
As you see, it's a kitten.
Yeah, it's a kitten, it's not so big.
Come here.
Actually, it's very small.
And it's a little bit stone.
Men vi tænkte, for lige for at få den til at sidde op igen.
It looks so funny, don't you agree with me? Ooh, yes, that looks fun. If it was me, I had
Og få den
fun.
til at sidde op igen. Så skal vi få den til
It's a taxi.
It seems pretty confusing.
Yes. I think, what is the cat's name? It's a new cat, I just gonna call it Gray. Hello, Gray!
Not great.
Look at the photograph.
Let's call it Fighter.
Yes, that's Fighter. It's Fighter. Look at the photograph. Look. No, look. Stefan, skal lige se kameraet. Look in the photo.
Now it's pretty exhausted.
Yes. Just play with it. Yes. We have 1 minute and 40 seconds. That's
Okay,
much.
just turn off.
I think there's not enough for today. Goodbye, assholes.